Classes are out, campus is quiet, and seniors at Indiana University South Bend are ready for graduation.
It means 4.5 years that I've put in and 4.5 years that paid off finally.
Chris Klein is graduating in August and already has lined up an internship at Notre Dame and grad school at Indiana University in Bloomington.
In a way, I'm a first-generation college student. My mom never went, my dad never finished. And so it was extremely exciting to go work for such a high-profile university for a year before going to another high-profile university.
And Klein isn't alone.
Actually, I do have a job.
Adrienne Lark is graduating Tuesday night and says thanks to career services at IUSB, she learned the basics of acing her job interview.
So when you have that interview or when you go in front of other people, you will know how to carry yourself, how to dress, how to act.
As Indiana University at South Bend seniors make their way from here and across town to Tuesday night's commencement, Notre Dame seniors are taking their last finals and they hope they can land their dream job if they haven't already.
So can I ask what you're going to be doing after graduation?
I'm going to be working for GE Energy in Greenville, South Carolina.
And Hannah Dombeck says she can thank her internship for landing her the job.
So if I didn't have the internship, I don't know if I would have gotten the job.
Take a note from these seniors with some career advice, an internship, and a diploma. They've got their futures on track.